Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. This is another video on ChatGPT and GPT 4o, the power of ChatGPT vision. Previously with ChatGPT Plus, the paid version of ChatGPT has the vision capability. And now with ChatGPT 4o, the vision capability is become more powerful. They call it Vision 2020. Very sharp, very good vision. And in bahasa, I want to call it tenungan makrifat. So when you see things, you see different layers. You can interpret. You can basically there's a lot more meaning when you see something with tenungan makrifat. All right. So let me demonstrate a few things with how you can utilize or leverage the vision, the power of vision of ChatGPT. All right, let me jump into ChatGPT. So I'm in ChatGPT 4o, as you can see here, because I'm on the paid plan of ChatGPT. One of the ability of GPT 4o and ChatGPT Plus is the ability to can upload a file. Okay, you can upload any file. It can be image, it can be PDF, any kind of file. And let me very quickly, I have a few images here, and I want ChatGPT to tell me or to describe or to interpret what's the image is about. Okay, so first one here, I just drag and drop. This image is, if I click, let me close the other. This is actually a kind of puzzle. They call it I don't know how to pronounce it, rebus or rebus puzzle. So can you figure out what's the meaning of this puzzle? Then we have the word travel. Then we have a lot of C's here. So let's see how ChatGPT or whether ChatGPT can interpret this. So I give the instruction to ChatGPT, interpret this image. Oops. Interpret. Is it interpret? Okay. Let's see whether it can interpret this image. So ChatGPT will look at the image and it will analyze the image. It will describe. Okay, this is a rebus or rebus, I guess rebus puzzle, which is a type of puzzle that uses picture, symbol, and so on. So in this puzzle, so it describes the word travel above 6 letters and a line separating them. To interpret this, so it tells us how to interpret this puzzle. So the solution is, and it gives the solution, is travel overseas. Yeah, it got it right. But be careful, sometimes it can get it wrong as well. I've tried a few. In this case, yeah, it's correct. Travel overseas. So we have the word travel. Then there's here over something, over a lot of seas. So travel overseas. Seas plural because we have more than one sea. It got it right this time. Okay, and let's try another one here. I have another one here, another puzzle. Okay. Forgot to give the instruction. But let's see whether they can figure out. I forgot to type the prompt. But yeah, automatically, ChatGPT analyze this. Appears to be a logic puzzle, so it recognizes that it's a logic puzzle. So then it starts to describe, and then wow, long description or analysis, and finally it says the answer is ball D. Okay, I'm not interested in the correct answer here. I just want to show you, to demonstrate to you how the power of ChatGPT vision here to interpret the image. In this case, I didn't even give a prompt. It just knows what to do with the image. It kind of guessing what we want from this image. Okay, all right, let's try another image. Let's try maybe, yeah, okay. This is actually, let me open this image first. Not sure whether you can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. This image is a model of um, learning by doing. CCAF, context, challenge, activity, feedback. So how do we engage students, and um, how do we train students to become self-directed learners, and how do we engage the students? So let's see how ChatGPT interpret this model or this diagram. Okay, let's see. Yeah, again, I forgot to put a prompt, and let's see whether it can figure out what we want here. Okay, I just put the image there and I didn't put a prompt. So the image illustrates the CCAF instructional design model, which is correct. Stand for context, challenge, activity, feedback. So context, and describe the meaning. So sometimes, all you have is just a diagram. Maybe sometimes you take a picture during the presentations. Speaker give a presentation, you take the picture of the slides, and then when you come back and look at the diagram, you have to figure out what's the meaning of the diagram. Um, unless if you still remember, you focus on the presentation and you still remember the point. But with ChatGPT Vision now, you can just put in the diagram and it can just basically explain what's the meaning of the diagram, interpret the diagram for us. And in this case, it looks okay. It looks correct. It's correct, and it interpreted correctly. All right. So let's try another one. Okay, I have a picture here. Maybe this one or this one. I don't know. Okay, just take this one. This image. What is this image? This image is just a discussion between the four people here, but this basically Westerners, Mat Saleh, and I want ChatGPT now to use the same style in the photograph, in the image, but I want to change the characters to ASEAN characters. Can it do that? Okay, let's try. So I have put the image here. So the instruction is um, change the characters in the image to ASEAN characters. Malaysian, Chinese, Indian. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's just give it a try. Okay. Let's see whether it can do that or not. So it will study the image. It will study hopefully the layout, um, the style of the photograph, but it will change the characters. Hopefully. Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay. Of course, we can try again. If you're not happy with the results, we can try again and again. And yes, that's the power of the vision power of ChatGPT. Let's try with a chart. Maybe I have a chart here. Here, this is a chart. Um, okay, this is a small chart here. Yeah, the resolution maybe not so good, but let's see whether ChatGPT can read and interpret this chart. Read and interpret the chart. The chart. But these are low resolution pictures. We should try to get high resolution as possible, so that ChatGPT can really read or read the image correctly. But let's see whether it can read this image, low resolution image here. The chart compares reconstructed, observed, and simulated global temperature. Yes, yeah, or illustrating the recent warming. Left panel, right panel, then key takeaways. Wow, wow. Well, I'm not sure whether it's accurate or not, but it seems like it managed to read the low resolution chart or image here correctly. You can also uh, you have an image or a table. You ask ChatGPT to interpret the table. Let's see whether I have more example here. Yeah, I think that's basically some demonstration that I want to show you. Very quick one on the power of ChatGPT vision. And as we have seen just now, it can look at the image, analyze the image, and describe the image, then interpret the image for you. Even sometimes you don't put the prompt, but it try to guess what actually you want from the image. Okay, give it a try, because there's so much more. Of course, it can do. You can just point your camera to something, then ask GPT-4o, what is this, and it can just explain to you. And it's actually become smarter and smarter, and probably will be able to describe very accurately the image, what the image is, and interpret what the image is, and so on. All right, so that's a short demo. I have a meeting in 4 minutes time. Hopefully this video has given you value for your precious time watching this, and feel free to share the video. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.